Leetcode easy problem 3000 maximum area of longest diagonal rectangle. So we want to find out the maximum diagonal, and the first thing we have to do is a loop. We want to go through all elements in this array, in this dimension array, so we can find out the maximum one. The second thing for this problem will be, with Pythagorean theorem, we do know that a square plus b square equals to c square. This is how we calculate the diagonal. We don't really have to calculate the real value of the diagonal. All we have to know is if it is the maximum. So, which means the square of the diagonal is the maximum will be good enough. So this is how we find out the maximum diagonal. But if there's something, if the diagonal is equal, then we want to find out the maximum of area, which gonna be the third step for this problem, for this solution. This is how we calculate the area.